What's going on, everybody? It's your boy BERTDELASPEED here, back again, and today in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how you could install the Owasp Juice shop. So if ever you're wondering what is the Owasp Juice shop, so the Owasp Juice shop is an insecure web app for security training. So you will be able to perform these SQL injections and all these kind of attacks you want to perform. So let's jump straight to how you can install the Owasp Juice shop. There are many methods to install the Owasp Juice shop, but the one I prefer is the Node.js method. Okay, so go ahead and click on the Node.js. I'm gonna give you this link on the description, so you can go ahead and do the same thing I'm doing. Open this in a new tab. Okay, jump into the tab and download the recommended version. I'm not gonna do it because I already done it here. Alright, and all you have to do is click on it and click next to install it. It takes a little bit of time, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so the next thing you'll want to do after installing it would be to clone the, where is it? Yeah, you'll have to clone the Juice shop, alright, using this command. So you just go ahead and copy it, open your Node.js once it's installed, okay, hit enter and paste it here. Alright, paste it, hit enter, and just wait for it to be installed. Alright, it's gonna take a little bit of time, so I'm gonna pause the video and I'll see you right after it's over. Alright, it's finally done. Okay. In case you try this command and you're getting an error that's saying Git is not recognized, that means you have to install Git. Alright, so you'll have to go ahead and download Git. Alright, you type this, you go ahead and you download the Git. Depending on your system, if you're on Linux, Mac or Windows, just go ahead and download according to your version. Okay, once you have it downloaded, you'll have to know where exactly it's located. So for Windows, because I'm on Windows, most of the time it's going to be located on yeah, see here, you type git, take here in the command and copy this location. Alright, once you have this location copied, maybe for yours is going to be computer, or for me it's this PC. So you right click on it, go to properties. Alright, advanced, find the environment variables, make sure you have it clicked on path. Okay, click on edit, and now if you don't have it, see, I already have it here. Right, but if you don't have it, go at the end, put semicolon and paste it there. Just paste it there. Okay, I already have it, so I'm just gonna delete it, and once you have it done, you just click OK, and you run it again. You open the CMD and you run it again. Okay, and this way it's gonna be working. So now once you have it done, the next step is gonna be you running. No, first you have to move to this location. All right, because let me tell you how. Because once you have it downloaded, it's gonna be located in user. It's gonna be user, and if you type J, yeah, you find it here. So it's gonna be here. All right, Juice shop. So you go into this and try to do cd Juice shop. I guess it's like this shop. Yeah, it works. Now that you have it done, go ahead and type npm install. Alright, copy it and paste it here, hit enter, and just wait. It may take a long time depending on your network. So once again, I'm gonna pause the video again, and once it's over, I'll see you again. Alright, finally over after 1,000 years. Alright, so next step you want to do is now to click on this, copy it and paste it. Alright, so just right click on it and paste it, run it. Alright, so just wait for it to start now. and once it will be started, you'll be able to run it on the port 3000. Yeah, exactly, on the port 3000. So if you're lazy and you don't feel like typing it, you can copy this. Alright, open a new tab, paste it, run it, and if everything is working fine, you'll be having your Juice shop working. Alright, so this is how you install the Juice shop. Every time you'll be wanting to run a Juice shop, you'll have to open your Node.js, go to the folder with the cd command, then you just have to start the Node.js. Yeah, I mean, you do npm start to start the Juice shop. Right, so this is gonna be it for this video. If you face some problems, you can leave some comments down below. If it worked for you, you like it. Always a pleasure to get new subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.